a sponsored video. ALS, Advanced Lighting System, killer flashlight. Didn't. Still working. Magnet mount. You can even pivot the light to where you need it while it's magnet mounted to any magnetic surface. Genius! That was a pretty real world scenario right there. Check that out. All right, the light survived the car. I don't own a tank, but I do own a tractor. The tire turned it on! That's funny! Still working! All right, now I'm bringing you out real world scenario out to where our boy goats live. Because out there, I don't have any light inside this barn. Perfect example of where this light shines perfectly. So heading over this way, and when we come in here, the only light on right now is this guy. And check out Charlie. Charlie's not feeling well, so he's got a little sweater on. So I'm gonna check on him, and this light is just simply amazing. You guys are just gonna hang out right here with the light. Guys, we're gonna take one last quick look at this light. I'm gonna play it around with some buttons and show you how bright it is. You're gonna be at the same angle as me. Ready? Here we go. That's 400 lumens, 800, 2000. That is pretty darn bright. Hopefully you guys can see this very well. The goats are all out there. I can see perfectly. It's a very, very good solid light. When I turn it off, it glows in the dark. And one more thing, it's waterproof. It's waterproof, guys. Ain't that ridiculous? So, one more cool feature that I never talked about. I even forgot about it. There's a spot to charge your cell phone. Really cool. Check out the descriptions and the links below. If you're looking for any more information on this light, they even have headlamps and bigger versions of this one. They even have ones with speakers built in.